Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will try to do a spiral dip again, but I will use only Windsor blue, white satin enamel mixture and metallic silver. And I want to see what we can get. And we are still okay, Flora is still okay, it's so good mood, I can't say any different. So, and today I will start from the inside out. I have to mix my Windsor blue because it's almost empty. And next I will do my enamel layer. And I will go with Windsor again. And I have a blob. That's why I have a problem. That's why I don't like these squeeze bottles. But this is one reason, and the second is that I like to mix paint. It's so relaxing for me, so. And now I don't know anymore where I have to go. Maybe I will go again with the blue. Not all around, just like that, and some of this white here. I don't know, this is just a mess probably, but let's see. Sometimes you get something nice out of the painting, then you think that it will be just a mess. And let's lift this up. think it's kind of nice. I'll just add white here because I don't like this part. And I think it's better now. I probably didn't follow this spiral while I'm doing it, because I think that I lost it. I lost my pattern in the middle of my layering, so but maybe it's just too blue. I really don't know if I like this. I think that I don't. Too much white, maybe. Because I lost this bright Windsor blue a lot. I just can't decide what to do. I wish you could tell me. I think that I will try with this I will draw a flower on the top and see what will happen. So I will use some violet and some magenta and maybe some yellow, and we will see. I'll just try to draw a flower on canvas. And maybe I should use gold to brighten this out up a little bit. And some magenta. And I have a blob here too. Some yellow. Cadmium yellow. And I hope that I will not get a lot of green. Just do this in the middle. And maybe I will add some white here. On this blue, and we will see what we will get. And let's lift this up. And I think that I like this more than I like it before, so I did get some green, but not too much, so it is okay for me. It's a little strange spot here, but I don't want to mess it around, so I think that I like it that way. Let's see what we get here. I'll just try to define this center a little bit and maybe bring some blue in here. I don't know, maybe I ruined it with this. We will see. But this, I think, will be a keeper. I just don't like this part and I want to do something, but I'm just too afraid that I will lose this kind of, I don't know. I will leave it like it is. Maybe I can try I don't know. I just think of something. I will try it in my next video. So let me take you. A second. See, I think that it's, I don't know, I kind of like it, I don't know why, but I do. Kind of like this part. I have a little problem here. Maybe I should try to, I don't know, I can't do it with my camera in my hand. I will just try to fix something here because it's a little weird shape, so, but otherwise I think that I like it. So this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye.